the stadium which has shown him love on several occasions. From 20
Winning some really nice things, winning some really big ways. I got a really big thing. Let's go! Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it.
Oh God. Yo, it's about to hit with some fire right now. Ooh,
thanks for my gift, babe.
What do I sound like? Why are you laughing at me, Case? Casey, why are you laughing at me?
I like bad man. I like when man just sound.
Yo, me a bad man. I want to you. I want to you, my girl. I want to you, I laugh, bro. I'm a rush, you know. How are you, man? Ciao. People, does my voice sound different? Really, Case? My voice sound different, Casey? I don't know. I don't think that my voice sounds I really can't be like it.
You tell my heart I'm a need on my business. You tell my heart I'm a need for decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation.
Yeah, Sunday dinner, pork, yeah, plantain, some chicken, rice and peas, vegetable, oxtail over there, so people who want white rice. Carol, Jerry mother, you did yourself. Them dead right now. Hey Geraldine, Usain here. I see a video that you sent out. I'm happy to know that I'm your favorite athlete and you look up to me and all. See that you're sick. Sorry to see that. I know it's your birthday, so I just want to wish you a happy birthday. Hope all the wishes come true. Hope all you get all the presents. Wish nothing but happiness for you. When I come to Jamaica, I try to come and see you, alright? So have a wonderful birthday. Bye. Hey Crystal, Usain here. Just want to wish you a happy birthday. I heard it's the 21st of August also, so it's close to my heart. So happy birthday, alright? Champion, 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 champion. Champion, yo.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.